Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we're going to take a look at V5 and 3DEXPERIENCE and how we can use them both to collaborate effectively. So here we've got a part in V5. You can see it's just built up with some basic wireframe elements. For example, this could come in from a supplier, or it could come in from a job we're bidding to work on. So I'm going to open this up in 3DEXPERIENCE. So I'm just going to go to the import functionality. There are certain settings here, but I'm just going to import this directly straight out of the box. As you can see here, it's brought the wireframe through. So now I can use this wireframe geometry from V5 and start building the design up as intended. Once we've got this completed design, you can see here, we're just going to go and do an export to CATIA. So on this dialog box, there's different options here. We can start looking at mapping tables, so certain properties from 3DEXPERIENCE will be mapped to the V5 properties. We can also select what version of CATIA V5 we would like to export back to. Once it's been exported, we can see in the operations report the files that have been exported. And opening this file in V5, I can see I've got all the information. This does come through as just a solid lump, so our IP is protected. And this then can be sent back for approval, or it can be sent to the manufacturer to look at tooling. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe on YouTube, or follow me on LinkedIn for more CATIA tips and tricks.